So, for another video natin, yung dalawang canister natin. So, ito yung tinatawag namin na canister. So, ang canister natin is 200 grams. This is good for 2 months. Kung daily tayo mag-take. So, kung nasa bahay lang naman kayo in practical way, so, I will choose the canister. So, 200 grams na siya, good for 2 months. And then, may kasama na siya na scooper. So, may dalawa tayong canister. Yung dalawang canister na to, yung isa is no sweetener. So, ibig sabihin, kung ano yung lasa ng damo, yun talaga yung lasa niya. So, natural yung kanyang lasa. So, ito naman with sweetener. Ang sweetener naman ito is stevia. Stevia. So, alam niyo na yun kung ano yung benefits ng stevia or search na lang sa Google kung gusto nyo malaman. So, yan yung dalawang variant ng ating barley. No stevia and with stevia. So, yan yung ating variant. So, kung saan yung choice nyo, nakala na kayo pumili. So, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you again for another video. Bye for now.